Hello everyone, this is Vivian from Certtree.com. Today we will talk about 200-601 Managing Industrial Networks for Manufacturing with Cisco Technologies exam. First, I will show you some study tips for your preparation. First, you should know the basic information, and then you need to master the exam topics. After that, you can study Certtree exam thumbs to help you pass your exam easily. First, let's check the basic information. There are 65 to 75 questions in a real test, and you need to finish your test in 90 minutes. The associated certifications is CCNA Industrial Certification, and the language is only for English. And you need to register this test in PSVUE Center. Here are the exam topics, and each part has its ratio. You need to master all these topics to best prepare for your test. Then you will feel confident to take your test. You also can choose Certtree exam thumbs for your preparation. Just studying Certtree high quality 200-601 exam thumbs can help you pass your exam easily. Our exam thumbs are high coverage and 100% valid. And if you fail your test, we promise a full refund. Certtree offers big promotion. You can enjoy 15% discount on latest exam thumbs. And if you register to be our member, you can get bonus points. Furthermore, if you subscribe us, you can get additional 10 USD voucher code to save more. We offer PDF version and software version. You can start the two versions in your mobile phone or your computer. It is very easy. You can choose our 2-year warranty if you want to extend the update time. Here are our services: 1 year free update and 100% money back guarantee, free demo download, and real exam from real test. Here are the process for subscribe us to get the 10 USD voucher code. First, just subscribe us and then send a screenshot to sales@certtree.com. After that, we will send you the voucher code to your email. Then you can enjoy the discount. Certtree is a professional IT exam thumbs provider to help you pass your exam easily. You will feel confident to take your test after studying Certtree exam thumbs. Take this chance and pass your exam in your first time. Thank you.